Time goes by and yet I wonder.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to DAT Family 5 hair channel. Today we will be tackling Ezekia's hair once again. I had just taken her hair out of her crochet braids and it was time to wash and deep condition and to go ahead and braid it right back up, because y'all know she's 10, 11 and she likes to play around, and yeah, just we don't keep her hair out often. So but it is getting around time soon for us to go ahead and go to the hair shop and get the hair blown out and the ends trimmed. I like to do that once a year just to make sure everything's good. Right here you see that we use the PALMER'S olive oil shampoo and the PALMER'S olive oil deep treatment conditioner. So I hope y'all enjoy the rest of this video. I'll be back with y'all shortly. Enjoy the music, y'all.
Why do we put each other through hell? Why can't we just get over ourselves? I know I should. You cast your spell and now and under. I know the laughter and the pain. Will I ever love again? I don't know if I can take it anymore. Yeah, so I stay here and hold my heart when you walk out the door. Yeah. And I repeat it in my head, set your mind free, set your mind free. No one knows what I've been through, but this is the end of me and you. Set your mind free. Oh, hey, yeah. Oh.
Alright, so who y'all just saw was Rayne and Mamie doing schoolwork for the weekend, and I'm now parting and doing Ezekia's hair. What's in that water bottle is water, leave-in conditioner, and some coconut oil to keep their hair moist throughout their braidings. You will see that I am using some edge controller and also some coconut oil also. I put it in the middle of the hair and I also put it at the end to make sure you just have it on top. So y'all enjoy her style. If you need any help or if you want me to actually slow down and do a tutorial on how to cornrow, let me know.
Head underwater, falling back into you. I thought we'd be smarter, I got nothing left to lose. You said you fall with me, no matter how far it goes, down deep and under. We're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let you go. Something about you feels so different, makes me wanna risk it. Every time I look at you, you pull me back into your river. Swim a little deeper, I don't need to breathe with my head underwater. Don't know the reasons, I'm not sure I really care. We're all of our demons, and they never disappear. I will forgive you if you've forgiven me. We're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let time I look at you. You pull me back into your rivers.
I figure I'm gonna go ahead and slow down this braid for y'all, because y'all know I like to just keep moving. That's just me. But so I'm putting the edge control on the sides, on the bottom of the braid, and I section out in threes real quick, and then pretty much we just go over, under, and catching. All you're doing is passing and catching, passing and catch. You have two in your fingers, one on the top, and you're going over, under, and passing. That's all you're doing, passing and catching, passing and catching, and that's how you cornrow.
Like the others, they do not need to know. You said you fall with me, no matter how deep it goes. With my head underwater.
Well, gosh darn, how rude of me. My name is Atoya. I am the wife and mother of DAT Family 5, CEO, COO of DAT Family 5 LLC. We are the family that loves life and having fun and giving you all the motivation and inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly. I am a wife of Douglas and a mom of 3 beautiful girls with all different types of hair textures. As you see, Zeke has long, coily hair. And her hair is pretty, it's not fine, it's not thick, it's right in the middle. But it has massive shrinkage. Her hair actually goes down to the middle of her back, right underneath her shoulder blades. And so, yes, so it takes a while to braid sometimes and to get it done. And yeah, I'm one of those parents that does not believe in tender-headedness. I don't. From the get-go, from when we start doing their hair as they were infants, my kids, I trained them to the point to where you do not move. You don't move, you don't cry, you don't boo-hoo, else you're going to walk around here looking crazy. You don't take your hair out at school. If not, you're going to walk around looking crazy. I'm only going to do your hair one time every 2 weeks, if that. So that's how we rule in my house. That's how we do in my house. My kids know when it comes to their hair, don't let nobody else touch your hair. I'm going to go off. So it's one of those things that we do. So as you can see, the style that we are doing is a half a head style. So I like to do it this way. That way Ezekiel likes to scratch her head. It's not itchy. She just likes to scratch it out of nervousness. So I do that so that it won't look as fuzzy so quickly when she does that to her hair. So yeah, so enjoy this video. Ezekiel is our 10-year-old, almost 11-year-old, come June 3rd. And she is in 5th grade, about to become in 6th grade. Next year, she's going to the STEM magnet program. We're so excited for her. She is so smart and so wonderful, bubbly. She's learning how to be herself. And that's what we do in our family. Make sure they know that they are comfortable to be themselves at home. Just make sure you have a positive disposition. If you are feeling some type of way, let us know so we can try to figure out what you're feeling and what we can do to help it or help it pass through. So thank you so much. I think I've been talking a lot, so let me go ahead and get off here. We're going to replay the song again.
Baby girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Sign me up with dreams, it's the only thing I need. When I'm down, lift me up with your company. There's no telling what you and me creating. We're on the same wavelength. Feel the beat tonight, something good inside. Set you free, let you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger. You give me motivation, make my life vacation. When we are together, I surrender. thinking, reminiscing of the time when I found myself guessing. Feel the beat tonight, something good inside. Set you free, let you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger. You give me motivation, make my life vacation. When we are together, I surrender. Give you all my money, make you look so lovely, never feeling lonely. Baby girl, you're so fine, I can't get you off my mind. Oh girl, nah nah, oh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex, dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Oh girl, nah nah, oh girl, nah nah.
I would like to invite y'all to subscribe to our channel on Instagram. We are Atoya at home AT0 YAATH0 MO. Atoya at home on Instagram, and on Facebook we're DAT Family 5. So yeah, I can't wait to see y'all subscribe to our channel and join our family on all the social medias. Thank you.
Just let go. Don't need to figure it out. Gotta just be honest, I've been in my head. Reinforce my walls with all these hypotheticals. When it comes to you, no one really compares. But I'm scared and I'm nervous. I don't wanna get hurt anymore. I don't want nobody else. You know that you're fine as hell. I got ahead of myself. Finishing races and never begin up. I don't want nobody else. You know that you're fine as hell. I get ahead of myself. Keep on telling myself, don't rush. It's a little crush. Don't need to worry about it. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush. It's a little crush. Just let go. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush. A little crush. Need to worry about it. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush. A little crush. Just let go. Need to figure it out. Making time, not taking it to clear my doubts. Cleared out all the clutter, I'm no longer seeing clouds. Yeah, you deserve much better. You deserve much better. And I deserve a chance at new love. I don't want nobody else. You know that you're fine as hell. I got ahead of myself. Finishing races and never begin up. I don't want nobody else. You know that you're fine as hell. I get ahead of myself. Keep on telling myself, don't rush. Crush. Don't worry about it. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush. It's a little crush. Just let go. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush. A little crush. Need to worry about it. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush. A little crush. Just let go. Need to figure it out.
All right, you guys, so we're coming down to the end of this video. You will see towards the end, I am putting edge control at the end of her braids. Normally I would put beads on her braids, but because I know she's going to be at home, there's no reason for me to put any beads in her hair. We're just going to be hanging out, and she does a lot of sweating anyway, so it's going to curl right back up. So I'm just putting a little bit of edge control on there to make it not look as wild, and to kind of tame her ends a little bit and to give her a little bit more protection. And I hope y'all have a good day and a good night. And I hope y'all have considered to join our family. Become a Tommy and subscribe down below. Make sure you click the thumbs up if you like this video. And make sure you hit the bell for notifications. Thank you so much. And y'all have a blessed day. Blow kiss it.